That foil on that bottom rack is so important because this is going to bubble over. You don't want it going down into the bottom so that it starts burning. You gotta open your windows, have somebody fan the smoke detector, all the weird stuff. So just going ahead and line that little bottom rack right there with some foil. I keep that on there all the time no matter what I'm cooking. And while going, guys, so anyways, you guys just saw me layer up that lasagna right there, and it's gonna be so bomb. I call that, well, I didn't normally I put like Italian sausage in there, but this time I'm not putting Italian sausage in there. I just made straight ground beef because that's what my husband likes. But as you saw me go ahead and layer it up, the reason why I didn't put my top layer of cheeses on there is because normally I go out and I buy a big tin foil pan, and there's always a little bit of free edge left at the top of the pan once I get done layering my lasagna. However, this time I used the smaller of my oven pans, glass oven pans, and it just doesn't offer that amount of depth. So once I put that foil on top, if I put the cheese on there and I put the foil on there and put it in there to let it cook thoroughly all the way through, when I pull my foil off, my cheese is going to be stuck to the top of my foil, so that don't even make sense. So instead of messing up good cheese and then having to repatch my stuff, you know what I'm saying, I just go on ahead and just cook that thoroughly through with a layer of let it cook thoroughly through with the layer of foil, and then once that's cooked thoroughly through, I'll go ahead and pull that out, take the foil off, and then I'll put my last layer of cheeses on there so that everything blends. And again, I've told you guys this before, but I've never posted my lasagna video on YouTube before. Anytime you're making spaghetti or you're making lasagna or something like that, the reason why most black people put, and maybe most black people don't know why they put sugar in there, they just seen somebody do it and they like, well, this is what my mama used to do. But the reason why you put the sugar inside of it is because it's super acidic and you want to balance that acidity out, so you go ahead and drop some sugar inside of there. So that's the reason why black people use sugar in everything to either cut richness or to cut acidity. All right, so with that being said, as y'all can see, I'm doing a lot better. We doing a lot better. Still a little under the weather, but it's all good. It's raining beautifully outside. I'm about to go sit outside on my patio and look at my beautiful plant that my auntie gifted me before she left to Texas, and look at my grills outside and look at the tree outside that was once dead, but now I can see little remnants of little green leaves that are look like they're starting to pop up on there. So I'm about to just go outside and just enjoy the nature of everything that surrounds me and get a little bit more grounded. I'm going to sit right here and wait for this to finish baking, and after it's finished baking, I'm going ahead and take it out, show you how I layer that cheese on there, and then I'm going ahead and let it sit, and then I'm going to cut into it. The second thing that you need to have whenever you are having a lasagna is a beautiful salad. So you can either make you a really nice coleslaw, which is something my mom used to do when I was a kid. She used to make like this homemade coleslaw, and even my kids love when my mom does that. She hasn't done it in a while, but I don't know how to make that. I don't know that recipe. I could have called it axe, but I was like, nah, I'm going to go ahead and just make a little salad. Nice little garden size salad. Chop up some cucumber, a little bell pepper, throw some olives on top of there, a little ranch dressing or dressing of your choice. If you don't like dressing, don't put that. But nice little side salad. And then I got some garlic. If y'all want to, y'all can go on YouTube and check out my 3-meat lasagna that I put together on YouTube. Y'all can follow me, Brandy619. Hello, universe. And just like that, in that order. And I do have another little trick to show you guys, because anybody that likes to put cucumbers into their salad, sometimes if you put the cucumbers in your salad and put it in the refrigerator the next day, it's kind of real watery and wet, and your salad is kind of wilted. Like, this is not the business. So what you need to do is go ahead and slice your cucumber all the way down the center, and you need to pull that inner part out, the part where the seeds is at. That's where most of the water is at. So go ahead and pull that out, scrape it out with a spoon, throw it in the trash. Or you could, you know, make like a little cucumber water. That's a little tip, little trick. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and like I said, don't forget to follow me on YouTube at Brandy619. Hello, universe. And Make sure any of y'all naturals or any of y'all straight hair people, I don't care if the hair grow out your head, and if your hair growing out your head is natural, it don't gotta be curly. But if your hair is natural and it's growing out your head straight, go on ahead and follow. Come and join the group, Fun Naturals. You know, we love the diversity there, so go check it out. And I'll come back to y'all, I guess, with the finished product, or well, to layer my cheese and then the finished product. All right, deuces.
See this grease dripping? You see this grease right there? And it's dripping down.
You know what I'm saying?
That will make your house burn with smoke.
Yeah.
You do not want that if it falls down into this bottom part.
Yeah.
Okay? can they hear without a preacher? So I have to preach to them in order for the Lord to draw them. I have to preach to them for the faith to come, and then comes a yearning for God, and then the Father will draw them. So you know what I'm saying? So that's the part that I really expound on, is because you can't come to Christ unless the Father draws you. Period. So that's the key. So that's why I just wait on them. I just wait because I know everything is in the Lord's time, and it ain't got to be right now. I know it's all in the Lord's timing. So yeah, so that's the thing, So, but it's all good though. You know what I'm saying? It's all good as long as you know what I mean. We putting it on their mind, and they still, you know what I mean? Yeah. So that's what's up. That's what's up.